else till somebody decides to go. Decides to go. Soberly, without regret, I make another sandwich and I fill my face. I know that things have got to you, but what can I do? Suddenly, without a warning, on a pale blue morning, you decide your time is wearing thin. A conscious choice to let yourself go, dangling, hovering. It's an emergency. There's no more wait and see. Maybe if I shut my eyes, the trouble will be split between us. People come and people go. You're scarring everybody's face for some small flicker of the truth to what it is that you are going through, my boy. I left you dry. The sign was clear that you were not going